Now open the file exam.e2 from the location where you store your data files, and then save it as Excel eTours. Now click the cell B4, click the Formulas tab, and then click Define Name button in the Define Names group. The new name dialog box opens, and you can give a cell that contains a date a name that you will make it easier to build formulas that perform date calculations. So now type current lower dash date in the name text box. And then click scope list arrow and click April tours. And then click OK. The name assigned to the cell B4, current date, appears in the name text box. Because its scope is the April Tours worksheet, the range name current date will appear on the name list only on that worksheet. You can also name ranges that contain dates. Now select the range B7 to B13. Click the Define Name button in the Define Names group. And enter tour date. In the name text box. Now click the scope list arrow and click April Tours. And then click OK. Now you can use the name cell and the name range in a formula. The formula tour date minus current date is easier to understand than B7 minus $B4. So click the cell C7, type equal, then click the Use in Formula button in the Define Names group. And then click tour date, type minus, and then click the Use in Formula button to click current date. Then click the Enter button in the formula bar. The number of days before Costa Rica tour departs, 9, appears now in the cell C7. You can use the same formula to calculate the number of days before the other tours depart. Now drag the fill handle to copy the formula in cell C7 into the range C8, C13. Then compare your formula results with those shown here. Now save your work.